How you doing, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. So guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this butterfly simple top. It's very lovely. Remember this fabric that I showed you guys last time that I'm going to make a beautiful top out of it. So I made this from it. So don't forget to click the red button under my video to subscribe. If you have not done that, please, you can just subscribe now. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial, and you can give it a thumbs up so that others can also see it, and you can share, like, and can also comment. Let me know what you think about my videos, my tutorials on this channel. So this fabric is 1 yard of floral fabric that we are going to use to achieve this style. So I'll just go ahead now to show you guys how I'm going to fold my fabric. So I went ahead to fold my fabric into 4 parts because I'm cutting the front and the back part together. So I'll just go ahead now to take the length of my dress, which is by 30 inches. Okay, so I'm going to mark 30 inches on both sides. Don't forget the style I'm making out of this beautiful floral fabric is a butterfly style. So I folded my fabric, which is by 14 inches. That is the width of my dress, is by 14 inches. So I'll just go ahead now to mark my neckline by 4 inches. So my style is like a top, it's also like a dress. So I'm going to bring down the depth of my neckline by 3 inches. So I'm going to do that. Also at the back, it's going to go down by 3 inches. So I'll just give a curve. It's a small round neck in the front. That is the neckline. Okay. So the next step is for me to mark my armhole. Okay, so that's what I'm showing you, is between my bust, my chest line. So I'm going to mark 8.5 inches for that. Okay, so you can see the armhole. Okay, so I'm going to just loop my shoulder now by 1 inch. So from that 8.5 inches, that's where I'm going to run my stitch down to make it to fly out. That is the butterfly. So I'll just go ahead now to slope. I'm sloping the shoulder by 1 inch. So you can see that the style is very unique and simple. You can see my fabric, how it's shining, very beautiful and simple. So you can see the style that we are making today is not complicated, it's very simple. So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you can see the fitness of the style that I'm making today, and so that you can also understand it more better. So I'm cutting. So after cutting, I'll head over to my machine to stitch it together. So I'll be starting my stitching from my armhole. Don't forget my armhole, I marked 8.5 inches. So that's where I'm going to start stitching it so that the butterfly can fly out. You can see how simple it is. So I would like you to also make this particular style for yourself. And don't forget, I'm making use of this floral fabric. Is 1 yard of it that I'm using. So let me shift it so that you can see the button. So I'm cutting the button now. So just keep on watching, and don't forget to like this tutorial. You can share it with your friends. You can also give it a thumbs up, and if you don't understand a particular step here from the video, just let me know in the comment section below. Just say something, I'm going to reply you. Okay, so just keep on watching so that you can see how simple it is for you to make this style when cutting your own. So I've joined my shoulder together, that's what I'm pointing out. Okay, so I'll want to join the body of my top stroke my dress. So I'm going to mark my body now. So I'll be measuring my bust, and my bust is by 42 inches. Okay, so that's the 42 inches. So I'm going to also use 4 inches to make the butterfly to fly out. So that's what I'm marking. You can see where I'm placing my tape. Okay, so I'm marking 4 inches to make it to fly out. So this tie is very unique and very simple. So that's my 8.5 inches. That's where I'm going to start my stitches from. So that's what I'm pointing at. So I'll just take it down. So that's how I'm going to also stitch it when stitching it together. So I'll also mark the same thing at the other side of my top stroke my dress, because you can use it as a top, you can also use it as a dress, and before you know it, my dress will be ready for me to wear out. So this is my final look from the butterfly top stroke dress that we just made now. You can see how simple it is. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe now. You can also give this video a thumbs up. You can share with friends and family members, and if you have any question concerning this particular style that we just made now, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can assist you. And if you enjoyed today's tutorial, please don't forget to let me know also in the comment section below, and you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for always watching. I will see you guys again. Bye bye.